So thinking about division, if you start off quite simply just by getting 2 of 5 different objects and then asking Julia what she can see. So she might say she can see 10 counters, and you can ask her, can you see what pattern there is? And she's, well, there's 2 of each different kind. How many groups are there? There's 5 groups. Then you can change it and you can add, this is hard doing this with I've not mastered the live lessons yet. So then asking her again, what does she see now? And she might say, okay, I can see 3 of each colour. How many colours can you see? 5, so she's got 5 lots of 3. The next stage might be to ask her to sort out the mix-up of items. So asking her if she could make a pattern in some way or sort them out into groups. So she might, okay, so I mean, I know you might not have coloured counters at home, but 5 of anything, 5 shapes of pasta, anything you can find in the kitchen would do. So she might split them in like this, and say, okay, what have you made? She said, well, I've made groups of 3. How many groups of 3 have you got? I've got 5 groups of 3. The next stage might be to say to Julia, okay, I've got 9 things here. Can you put them into groups of 3? So she might say, okay, there's a group of 3, there's a group of 3. And you can say, okay, how many groups of 3 do I have? Okay, I've got 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, and 3 groups of 3 make 9. The next stage might be to put some things on a plate and say, okay, what can you see now? Okay, I can see 3 plates. How many does each plate have? It has 2. So what have we got? We've got 3 lots of 2. How many altogether? 3 lots of 2 makes 6. Then you might say, okay, I've got 3 plates and I've got 9 counters. Can you share the counters out equally so that each plate has the same amount? So Julia will hopefully say, okay, that's 1 there, 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 1 there. And then again, it's just saying to her, okay, what do you see? I can see groups of 3. How many groups of 3? I can see 3 groups of 3.